Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'll be reviewing this 8K camera. I'm going to go over all the accessories here, including this light, the microphone. This attaches so you can hold the camera at a distance here. It's a very versatile camera with several features, including Wi-Fi. You can use it as a USB camera as well, and you can control it with either the remote control or the mobile app. I also wanted to mention I was given this product in return for an honest review. First of all, it's 8K, which is amazing. The good thing about 8K is we have such good resolution. Whenever you're doing editing, you can zoom in. If you want to zoom in on certain areas while you're doing your editing, it's going to allow you to do that, and the resolution of the video will still be really good. Now, you've got Wi-Fi also in this, and so Wi-Fi works really well for your app. So it's a basic app, but it will control the main functions of the camera, and I'm going to show you a video here in a little bit how it works. But essentially, you connect to the Wi-Fi network of this camera. You go to settings and Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi network. It says Wi-Fi there, and you press and hold that up button where it says you see Wi-Fi right beside it. It's going to give you the network as well as the passwords you can connect to the camera. And so the app works really well. You don't need to have the app to use the camera. There's also a remote control that does this. Okay, so what's cool about this also is it's got separate components like a microphone that you can charge separately. It also has a light source you can attach to your camera, and it all charges separate. The microphone is charged separately, this charges separately, and the camera charges separately. They all have their own batteries. Okay, you see also this is the handle now attached. So it allows you to hold the camera a little further away from you, which can come in handy. If you just want to have some stability and hold a little further away from the object. I also have this light to show you how the light comes on, and you can just easily control the brightness of the light with this knob right back here. And to turn it off, you just hit this button here. So what's cool about this microphone is it's got off, low, and high for the microphone sensitivity, which is really helpful. And then this pulls out here, and you'll see like a normal camera that's going to walk you through. And so you can use these controls here to go through the menu. There's the power button right there, or you can just use a touchscreen. It actually is a touchscreen. And there's all sorts of options here that you can use. If you want to mount this on a tripod, you can use this. A lot of these features are standard for most cameras. The tripod comes separately. You can also use this as a USB camera. You attach it to your computer using the USB port, and you can use this as a normal webcam. There's an HDMI, so you can download your pictures directly to a computer. Here's where you'll see the Wi-Fi for the camera that you connect to. Really quickly, I'm showing you the record button here in the mobile app, and you can also take a screenshot or picture with that app. If I want to use this as a webcam, I can. All you need to do is put it in PC cam mode and attach a USB cord to this camera. There's a connection right there in the back, and you can use it as like any normal USB camera. The good thing about this is it's an 8K camera, so very high resolution. This camera in use, and so the first thing I do, you can see the record button right here. I'm gonna hit start recording. You can see the red dot blinking. And yeah, so this is, I like to record my dogs a lot because they're awesome. This is what their pawpaw. So yeah, it's really easy to take this and hold this camera. This really helps, this thing helps to keep it stable. And so you can use it for whatever, ball games, hang out with the dogs, going to the park or whatever it is. And it works really well and easy to use and operate. Another cool feature of this is the zoom. So right now you can see it zoomed out, and you can just click just to the right and you'll see how much it zooms in. So I can go all the way over here. If you want to zoom out, you can do that. So it works really well. So a really helpful feature.